to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna film my entire day for you guys and show you कि मेरे दिन में क्या क्या होता है. I go to the office, सुबह उठ के मैं क्या करती हूँ. It's 11:40 and मेरी थोड़ी किचन की बैंड बजी हुई है, but we're gonna start with making a coffee because उसके बिना तो नहीं होता है. So चलो, let's make a coffee. I'm gonna use this really cute glass to make my coffee today. I know you already know, but this is my favorite coffee. It's the Sleepy Owl one in the French vanilla variant. भाई मैं ये वाला मिल्क यूज़ करती हूँ. वैसे तो अमूल वाला नॉर्मल मिल्क, बट घर वाले दूध से जो कॉफ़ी बनती है, यू कांट बीट दैट. आज मेरा काफ़ी हेक्टिक डे होने वाला है. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ शिट टू डू टुडे, सो इट्स गोना बी अ बिजी व्लॉग. Hope you all are up for that. You guys loved the home tour video and I'm really happy that you did. यार जब से मैं कॉलेज से बाहर निकली हूँ ना, my life has become so different and so hectic. Sometimes मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आता कि मैं शूट कर रही हूँ and then I'm like, what am I supposed to say? We have our coffee. चलो चल के बैठते हैं थोड़ी देर and let's talk. Okay, let's just sit down and पहले मैं बताती हूँ कि क्या क्या चल रहा है for the past 2 weeks. I went on a small trip to Coorg last weekend because थोड़ा long weekend था. Thursday को ईद थी, so me and my friends went on a bike trip to Coorg and भाई it was so fun. If you follow me on Instagram, मैंने stories डाली थी काफ़ी सारी, so you might have seen that. भाई बहुत fun था. आते हुए थोड़ा कमर दुख गई थी बाइक पे, but it was really fun. But उस ट्रिप पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं. लाइक जाते ही मेरा ट्राइपॉड टूट गया एंड आई वाज लाइक शिट, अब मैं कंटेंट कैसे रिकॉर्ड करूँगी. लाइक हाउ एम आई गोना फिल्म, बिकॉज मेरे माइंड में बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ थे एंड ऑब्वियसली मोस्ट ऑफ देम आई कुड नॉट एग्जीक्यूट, क्योंकि मेरे दोस्तों को इतने अच्छे से फ़ोन का कैमरा पकड़ना तो नहीं आता है. उन्हें कोई कैमरा पकड़ना नहीं आता है. सो जाते ही मेरा ट्राइपॉड टूट गया. ठीक है, वन थिंग, व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम द ट्रिप मेरा माइक खो गया. मेरे पास बोया वाला माइक का था, दैट वाज फॉर लाइक 3500 आई थिंक. मेरा माइक भी खो गया एंड नाउ आई एम लाइक ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. लाइक आई एम गोना हैव टू स्पेंड सो मच मनी अगेन. सो आई हैव फाइनली डिसाइडेड कि इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग वही वाला माइक फिर से, आई एम गोना फाइनली इन्वेस्ट इन दी हॉलीलैंड वाला माइक विच इज़ फॉर आई थिंक 12-13,000 के बीच में आता है कहीं पे. एंड इट्स अपेरेंटली इट्स रियली गुड. मैंने इसके रिव्यूज़ देखे हैं काफ़ी सारे, सो I guess we're gonna pull the trigger and buy that mic this time. उसमें मैं संभाल के रखूँगी because वो अगर खो गया तो I will lose my mind. And मैंने आते ही फटाफट अभी सुबह Zepto से ट्राईपॉड ऑर्डर करा है. डिजिटेक का ट्राईपॉड लिया है मैंने. It costed me 1,000 rupees. बहुत अच्छा है. I will give you a link अगर तुम्हें भी चाहिए if you make content and stuff. So I'll give you a link for that as well. हाँ I lost मेरा content का stuff and I was panicking भाई. और मैंने ना ये भी ऑर्डर कर लिया, this section thing, ताकि मुझे कहीं पे रील बनानी हो तो आई कैन डू दैट. देयर इज़ अनदर मेजर अपडेट. आई होप मैं तुम्हें बोर नहीं कर रही हूँ, बट देयर इज़ अनदर मेजर अपडेट. आई जस्ट बुकड माई बाइक. मैंने अभी नई बाइक चलानी सीखी है एंड मुझे एक्सट्रीम शौक हो रखा है बाइक का. सो आई जस्ट बुकड माई रॉयल एनफील्ड. आई एम बाइंग द मीटियोर 350 and I'm gonna get it in like 20-25 days. I'm gonna have a bike, bro. Who thought? And I'm gonna buy like so many accessories for it, go on like bike trips and stuff. Obviously मैं अभी mountains पे तो नहीं चला सकती हूँ. I'm not that perfect. So वहाँ पे मेरे friends ही चला लेंगे. But on the roads and stuff, at late night, we can go on rides. You get my excitement, right? So mic हम लोग आइए शाम को ऑर्डर कर लेंगे. मेरे पास अभी इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. मुझे तैयार होकर ऑफिस पे जाना है. So I'm gonna quickly finish my coffee and I will see you guys inside when I'm getting ready for the office. Yeah. Hi, I'm ready. Okay. Let me quickly tell you कि मैंने क्या क्या करा है. I'm wearing this yellow kind of a shirt. It has a baby shirt kind of है, like इसकी लेंथ सिर्फ यहाँ तक है. I got this from Savannah in PR. और इसके अलावा मैंने dark washed jeans पहनी है. I always wear this necklace. If you know, you know. मैंने ये वाले ईयरिंग्स पहने हैं. I just got these like 2 days ago from Balmonas because मैं ईयरिंग्स मंगाती हूँ एंड खो देती हूँ. I'm wasting so much money. These earrings and this is my makeup. मैंने इतना कुछ खास नहीं करा. I just put on some blush and this lip combo. And भाई, you have to buy this lip combo. How good it looks. I do this every day. It's Nykaa Matte to Last Oil Lip Liner in the shade Chai. And Lancome की लिपस्टिक है ये. It's the mini version because ये मुझे PR में आई थी. And it's in the shade The Tea is Hot. And This shade is so good. Like, it is truly like the perfect nude for me, perfect nude brown for me. I love it, bro. You have to get these products. The lip combo is so juicy. Like, it actually is tea. अच्छा चलो लेट्स गो वापस से आउटसाइड. आई हैव समथिंग टू शो यू जो मैंने मंगाया है. ऑल्सो आई कर्ल्ड माई हेयर इफ यू noticed because मेरे हेयर भाई बालों की बैंड बजी हुई है. माई एंड्स आर सो डेड. आई हैव टू गो गेट अ हेयर कट. एंड मेरे बालों की बहुत ऐसी तैसी हो रखी है, तो आई वाज लाइक कुछ तो कर ही लेती हूँ इनमें. एंड आई बिलीव कि योर हेयर ट्रूली मेक्स और ब्रेक्स योर आउटफिट, सो इट हैज़ टू बी गुड. लेट्स गो आउट. सो मैंने कुछ मंगाया है and I really want to show you what it is. But I have seriously been waiting for this parcel ever since I ordered it. Like, I'm still setting up my house, still finding pieces that match my aesthetic. And one major thing was that I wanted some greenery in the house. Plants nahi hai ghar mein abhi tak yaar. And I have been seeing Ugao plants all over my feed lately. So I decided to check them out myself and I got this peace lily. Peace lilies are also known for helping purifying the air, which honestly makes me feel slightly more put together as a person. Okay, first off, I have to say the packaging is super nice. And look at the plant. Oh my god, guys. So pretty. इन्होंने like sand को भी इतने अच्छे से वो करके दिया ना, रैप करके, so nothing is like falling out. And what I love even more कि जब ये आया है ना, it's in such a healthy condition कि I can style it right away. चलो sand वाला part भी खोलते हैं. It has these huge green leaves and also some white blooms in the center. I'm gonna keep this with like so much love. I'm not gonna let it die because surprisingly it is super low maintenance. Because let me tell you, I cannot take care of high maintenance things, including myself sometimes. It needs just like a little bit of water twice a week and we're good to go. Okay, so I got this specifically for this corner where I have my lamp and my sofa, and it fits perfectly. It looks so aesthetic. If you're someone who wants to get into plants but has no idea where to start, Ugao is the place for you. Like, they make it really easy. They have everything from indoor plants and planters to seeds and gardening stuff all in one place. And the best part, they deliver across pan India. So तुम कहीं पे भी हो, you can get yourself a beautiful plant like this one. Like, भाई कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. मैं यहाँ पे वीडियोस बनाऊंगी तो कितना सुंदर लगेगा यार. I'm like obsessed. Like, one flower is still blooming. I'm gonna see this in real time. Me and my plant. I'm back from the office. वैसे मैं थोड़ी देर पहले ही आ गई थी. अभी राइट नाउ इट इज़ करंटली अभी हो रहे हैं 9:05 एंड मैं आ गई थी अराउंड 7:45 आई गेस. एंड तब से मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. आई बीन लाइंग ऑन माई बेड एंड दीदी ने खाना बना दिया आके. सो अभी भूख लग रही है, सो वी गोना हैव सम डिनर एंड इसके बाद आई हैव मूवी प्लान्स. सो मैं देखने जा रही हूँ ऑब्सेशन. मेरा बहुत टाइम से मन था ऑब्सेशन देखने का. लाइक आफ्टर सीइंग सो मेनी रील्स अबाउट इट. आई हैव नॉट सीन अ स्पॉइलर बट I've just heard कि भाई बहुत crazy movie है. So I'm gonna go watch Obsession today. So right now let's head towards the kitchen which is like right in front of me and have some dinner. मैंने दीदी से आज आलू का पराठा बनवाया because मुझे समझ नहीं आता मैं क्या बनवाऊँ and it's like literally the easiest. दीदी asked me to order onions, so I ordered onions and apparently मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. These are the onions I ordered. ये कौन से onions है? They're like super small. I don't know. I don't know. I've got my paratha. I'm gonna have some आम का अचार. ये मैं घर से लाई थी अपने. मैं बहुत weird combo में खाती हूँ बाहर. So I'm also gonna have some good on the side. ये भी घर का है. सब कुछ घर से आता है मेरे पास. Some buttermilk. अमूल का मसाला buttermilk है यार ये. I think मैं pretty much हर चीज़ के साथ I need buttermilk या फिर दही. I just can't. बचपन से मैं खा रही हूँ, so I just need it. हॉस्टल में तो नहीं मिलता था. घर वाला थोड़ा सा वाइट मक्खन मिलता ना मेरे को इस वक्त. Dinner is served. Let's go back to the sofa and find something to watch. कहाँ पे रखूँ मैं तुम लोगों को? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या देखूँ because I recently finished off campus and भाई The series is so goated by kya. Loved it. I just can't wait for the second season where Ali and Dean are gonna be the main couple. Just can't wait. And I also watched the new episodes of Euphoria. Okay, अभी बोल रही हूँ मैं अभी थोड़ा सा मैं I'm gonna talk about it, so there are gonna be spoilers. So if you want, you can skip थोड़ा सा. First off, Nate died, and he died such a brutal death. I think Nate was kind of like, I think he lived kind of a pointless life in Euphoria. Like, what was the point of all that? Then they killed Rue. Rue, I kind of really liked as a character. By like, she did everything she could, but she just could not get away from the drugs, and then ended up dying from said drugs, and because of the world that she was in. I just did not want her to die, but it is what it is. Alamo also died, which is good. I did not like the man at all. Cassie B, I'm not a big fan of the character. Maddie, I like Maddie. I do like her. Like, she always finds a way. I really like the way they evolved the character of Ali. Very, very nice. And I think इतना ही है अभी तो इससे ज़्यादा. Let's see. Yeah, that's my update. Anyways, I'm just gonna watch some random episode of Gilmore Girls while I eat my dinner. And then हम लोग I think pretty much तैयार तो मैं हुई. I'm just gonna go like this only. But pretty much ऐसे तैयार होके movie देखने चले जाऊँगी.
I can call her right now and tell her no if that's what you want. I mean it. You say the word and it's off. Maybe we could just try this one just to see if you like it.
Hi, it's the next day. I don't know why I always say hi like hi. It's something's up with me. But like I'm always like this. But hi. It's the next day and my mic has already arrived. I don't know how it happened this fast, but delivery date is की 8th June की आ रही थी and it somehow came today. Here it is. It's the Hollyland Lark M2 and I have already tested this on my phone. That video will probably go up in a bit. Shorts पे डाल दूँगी मैं and Instagram Reels पे भी डाल दूँगी. I have to say, this is worth the 13K. Like this is worth it. This is my everything now. Like मैं इसको खुद से भी ज़्यादा प्यार करूँगी. Clips onto your clothing like this. Like what the hell? It's so small and I don't have to hold it. This मैं इसे इतना संभाल के रखूँगी because if I lose this, I will fucking lose my mind. I will go mad. भाई people were right. जो लोग इसके बारे में rave कर रहे थे, they were right. I love it. Also made a coffee. Look at this. कितना सुंदर है भाई. ये Starbucks वाला वो bear वाला mug है. ये कितना प्यारा है. And I was like filming some shots and some reels and stuff. So मैं थोड़ा short form content film कर रही थी. And I woke up around 12 PM. उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का भी काम था, so I did that. And I finally got the time. I was like, let me just sit down and talk to you guys. It's been a while. You know, I love having heart-to-heart with you. I love telling you what's on in my life. Let's talk about थोड़ा सा मेरी mental health, which I'm sure you guys are interested in this part because duh. I have been experiencing kind of like a creative block. I wouldn't honestly call it creative burnout, but it's more like a creative block where I know कि हाँ I want to create the content, but then I'm like, what do I create? And I have all these ideas and I'm like, they're not good enough. This is not gonna work. Nobody's gonna watch this. And obviously Instagram has a huge part to play in this because किसी video पे I get like a good amount of views and then suddenly next video पे I'm getting like what 5,000 views, and that is kind of like really demotivating because I put my work into the video, but I try not to dwell onto it too much because like मेंटल हेल्थ ख़राब हो जाएगी भाई. दैट्स व्हाट्स बीन गोइंग ऑन. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक फील कर रही हूँ वेयर आई एम लाइक, व्हाट शुड आई मेक, what do I actually want, where do I actually want to take my content, and what value can I provide to you guys. Here I definitely like talk to you guys like this, but Instagram pe I can't do that. Like I want to post content that makes me happy, but like also the content that will, you know, provide some value teach you something, maybe like a piece of my mind, because see, I know that I have a shitload to say. There are so many things I believe in, there are so many things I want to say. Like if my friend was feeling down, I will have like a million things to say, but like when I actually sit down with like a notebook, I go fucking blank. I'm like, oh, what the fuck am I supposed to say? Where did all my thoughts just like, where did they go? Disappear कैसे हो गए? Like कहाँ गए? So I've been feeling this exact feeling lately. I'm feeling a bit better today. आज मैंने काफ़ी rest भी करा है, short content, and मेरा mic भी आया आज, so obviously I'm like overly excited. But मज़ा आ रहा है. I also want to get a new camera. उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा सेव अप करना पड़ेगा. That shit is expensive. So I'm just gonna try to find some ways just so I can like unblock my creativity. Maybe like start journaling again. थोड़ा मैंने उस पर break लगा दिया. I haven't journaled in a bit, which is weird because I used to do it every day. It was my thing. I needed to do it every day, and मैंने अभी काफ़ी टाइम से करी नहीं है because यार time ही नहीं मिल रहा है. I think इस वजह से भी हो रहा है because like I have a million things to do in a day now. I office जाना होता है obviously, like I go to the office at 12, come back around 7:30, and then थक जाते हैं obviously, and then आके I have to shoot the content. So it probably because of that, I don't know, but I really do have to figure it out, you know, because there was a time when I used to love making these videos, where I used to love posting my YouTube videos, and अभी मैं ऐसे slump में चले जाती हूँ. मुझे एडिट करने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है. ऑब्वियसली लाइक कॉलेज वॉज मच ईजियर भाई, तुम पे यू हैड अ शिट लोड ऑफ टाइम, बट मेरा कॉलेज हैज़ एंडेड. अब आई जस्ट गेव माई लास्ट सेमेस्टर का वाइवा, सो आई शुड गेट माई डिग्री इन लाइक जुलाई और अगस्त, समवेयर अराउंड दैट टाइम. सो मेरी डिग्री भी मिल जाएगी, विच मीन्स माई स्टडीज़ आर ऑफिशियली over and I'm officially an adult. I don't feel like an adult, I feel like a child. Like I want to do a million things in life right now. I want to travel a lot, I want to see new countries, I want to explore the entire India. मुझे मेघालय देखना है, I want to go to Ladakh, and मुझे कर्नाटका पूरा देखना. There's like so much, there's Kerala, there's so much to see, so I want to travel a lot. I just bought my bike, पता नहीं वो आएगी कब तक, but I just got a bike and मुझे उसमें परफेक्ट बनना है. so there will be like काफ़ी सारा ऐसा बाइक वाला कंटेंट भी एज वेल ऑन माई रील्स. यहाँ पे इतना नहीं होगा आई गेस. आई वांट टू गेट बैक टू द जिम. आई थिंक आई हैवंट सीन द फेस ऑफ द जिम इन लाइक 2 months and I feel shitty about it. I really want to make it a part of my life again because I remember कि मैं 4 बजे सो के भी सुबह 6 बजे उठ के जिम जाती थी because no matter what, I will not miss it. So like, where did that attitude go? Where did that Shiva go? We gotta bring her back somehow. Yeah, I think I should stop here because I can ramble for like hours. I can sit here and talk to you for hours. I can do that. So I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna get started with editing this video. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was fun to watch. I know my life is thrilling nahi hai, but I really hope this was fun to watch. And I love you guys. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.